Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and premium units in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan with just over 100,000 miles. This is a local trade, bright black in color as you can see. I don't notice any dents, any major scratches on this vehicle all the way around it. All in all, just a really nice vehicle. Factory alloy wheels, those are 17-inch rim. It also has a Michelin tire on it. It looks to be about 50% tread depth left. All these Caravans come with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor. They are a 7-passenger vehicle, so you can carry up to 7 passengers in this vehicle. It also does have the stow and go system in the rear, which I'll show you how that works here in a minute. With this particular vehicle, you should be able to get just under 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Considering this is a 7-passenger vehicle, that is very good fuel economy. Power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. This vehicle does have a power driver's seat with also a power lumbar. This is a cloth seat, and as you can see, the cloth on the driver's seat along with the passenger seat is in very good shape. Not only are the seats in good shape, the floorboards, they don't show any wear, no holes, especially on the driver's side from the floorboard. Everything looks to be in very good working order. This vehicle also does have power foot pedestals, so you can move them pedals up and down. This vehicle does have cruise control on the steering wheel, and then on the back side of the steering wheel, you have the option of adjusting your radio. This vehicle does come with an AM/FM and also a CD player in there. Dual climate controls for your front are located right here. And then you also do have a rear climate control that can be operated from the front, located right in these two knobs here. Very large storage unit in here in the center with plenty of cubby holes. You have a 12-volt, two 12-volt DC plugs down there, cup holders, and another little storage unit right there. This vehicle does come equipped with power sliding doors in the rear and also a power lift gate. So by simply pushing the button, as you can see, they do open just by a push of a button. Now these two center seats can be stowed into the floor, right into that compartment for the stow and go seating, and along with the back seat too. This vehicle does have, like I showed you up front, it does have the option of operating the rear climate controls from the rear of the vehicle if you'd like the passengers to do so. All in all, in the back, I don't notice any stains, no rips, no tears, just a very nice vehicle. And with the back, like I was telling you when we were looking at the captain chairs, this rear bench does fold into the floor, so if you do need a large place for storage, not for storage, could be for storage or for hauling items, this can do so. So this rear bench will lay flat down into this storage hole down here. So if you want to have a big access for a whole sheet of plywood, you can do so with this van. And like I showed you up front, this is a power rear tailgate along with the power sliding doors. Very nice vehicle, priced very well. Definitely a low payment on this one. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to see any of the still pictures of this, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. And again, for the guaranteed best deal on any newer premium vehicle, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.